Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a wallpaper on your iPhone 17. So this is my iPhone 17 here. So this method will work any 17 series like 17 Air, Pro Max. So at first open settings, scroll down, then you get wallpaper option. Just tap on, press on add new wallpaper. If you want to set your own image, press on to photo and you just set your own image. If you want to make it 3D effect, select. Now let's make it 3D effect and make sure to turn on drift effect. Then your clock, select object behind, press on add. Or if you want to add custom home screen, use another image, select like select another image. Okay, press on done. So as you can see, change my home screen wallpaper and this is my lock screen wallpaper. Or if you want to add your any iOS wallpaper, showing you to more feature, just select any one. If you want to add dynamic, select dynamic option, press on add and now set up this. So that's it.